if you're new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome if you are a returning. Hey! In today's video, we are going to be taking down this Mercy hair extensions. I don't want to, like I really don't want to take out the hair because it is so pretty. A week and a half ago, I washed it with a recommended Tresemme product, but the way she braided my hair, my tracks are starting to show because the hair has slipped down. It's almost 3 months since I got my hair done. It would be December 30th would be 3 months. I don't want to wait till December 30th because Christmas is coming up and all the other stuff. So I'm gonna take this down, and Mercy has said that she has some black kinky straight that she could send to me because this is natural color and I would have to dye it to match my natural hair, which is what I was gonna do. So I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna keep all the bundles, and yes, we're gonna dye it, and we're probably gonna reinstall it. If she sends me new bundles, I'll probably just have my sister install this. So I wanted this to be my final review of the Mercy hair extensions Mongolian kinky straight hair. I didn't want to take it out without having to close the chapter of, because I'm not taking it down because it's messed up or anything. I'm taking it down because I want to reinstall it. That is the real reason why I'm taking it down. I want to reinstall it. We're going to change the parting. We're going to do all of that. I don't want to have to go through the hassle of trying another brand because Mercy hair extensions just works. Okay, let's go ahead and take it down. This time around, I'm not going to use the scissors by itself or at all. I have seam rippers. My mom is a dressmaker, so she has seam rippers. Last time I was being lazy and not doing what I was supposed to do, so we're gonna take the hair down. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna take this down. I'm gonna show you what it looks like after almost 3 months of wear, and yeah, let's get into it. Didn't I say I was gonna hire someone to do it for me the next time I was trying to take it down? Okay, last thread for the top. Okay, so I got one down and 2.5 packs more to go. So let's go ahead and keep on doing some tracks. Also, I need new seam rippers because this one is dull. So I'm gonna put some lotion on my ashy hands because my hands are very ashy. I just took a peek of it. There, no more ashy hands. Even though I washed my hair, it is very dirty. Look at it. I'm definitely gonna have to wash my hair more often for the next install. So you see this right here? It's like a little, okay, so if I try to cut this tiny thread over here, it's gonna cut the weft hair. So this is where she flips her tracks over. So I'm gonna flip it and cut it on the underside, because on the underside it's gonna be directly on the weft right there, so I can cut it. So on the underside it's directly on the weft, and I can just go ahead and cut it like that. So I'm gonna say this again, and next time if I don't do it, somebody's gotta call me out on it. Next time I'm gonna pay someone else to undo my hair. I'm probably not gonna do it because I feel like I could undo my hair better and probably be more gentle and not cut my hair. But in the case of me struggling right now, I'm just gonna say I'm gonna hire someone. It just makes me feel better right now to say I'm gonna hire someone. Also, there's some parts you can just use your hand to undo the stitches. I'm done. It only took me 2.5 hours to do it. I have 3 bundles of the tracks are all still intact. It literally still moves like I just pulled it out the bag. But I mean, y'all know where it came from. Okay, you guys, so this is my hand. It's a little egg. It's back. So I'm gonna undo all of this. This is my final chapter on the Mercy hair extensions kinky straight Mongolian kinky straight hair test. I absolutely love it. I will reinstall this exact same hair if I don't get the black hair that she wants to send me. But yeah, I really like the hair. I will 100% recommend anybody and everybody who needed kinky straight hair to get it. Y'all saw how good it looks, and if you wash your hair at least once every 2 weeks, it looks really good. It feels really soft. I didn't even flat iron it this time. I just blew it out and just left it like that, and I love it. Just if you're somebody like me who likes a lot of hair, I would suggest 3 bundles because after like a month, kinky straight hair does shrink. So if you use a little bit in the beginning, it's gonna shrink and be like very thin. But if you're somebody who likes natural density, then 2 bundles will definitely be enough for you. So that is it for me and my final chapter on me trying out Mercy hair extensions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.